Hey there, welcome to Airbtics affiliate program. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how it works and why it's a great opportunity. At Airbtics, we believe affiliate partnerships should be fair and rewarding. You help us grow and we help you earn. So how it works? So you will earn 30% recurring commissions for every customer you refer for as long as they stay subscribed. So you'll get access to our own affiliate dashboard where you can track number of visits, number of signups, number of subscribe made, and your commission as well. So no guesswork. So everything will be transparent and real time. So why this is a great opportunity? So these days, almost everyone starting an Airbnb business look for tools like Airbnb to evaluate their feasibility to start an Airbnb. And they usually want the data, not just hearing from the people. So that means demand is very, very high and it's only growing. So you're not selling something people might need, but you're promoting something that they are already actively looking for. So we are in this together. Since this program is still very new, we are going to work very closely with our early partners if you'd like. So we can help you by hopping on a call and we can brainstorm the content ideas. We can share you what's working well. We can also discuss about possibility to promote or boost your content through our own channels or any asset that we currently have. So we are not just handing you a link and leaving you on your own. We are here to help you succeed as well. So as the next steps, can you please sign up on our affiliate page and you can grab your link, or if you want, you can ask us for a custom discount coupon as well. And you can just start sharing, earning, create the content, whether it's a YouTube, TikTok, a newsletter, Instagram, or even Discord channel. You choose how you promote, and we'll provide promo assets, real examples, and tips on what's working best. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you. Let's grow together. See you inside. Bye bye.